So I just wanted to share with you my experiences of the Thrive programme and how it has absolutely transformed my life for the better. So I first developed a irrational fear of vomiting and vomiting bugs probably around 5 years ago, and then it's got particularly bad since having my 2 young children, the eldest being 3, the youngest being 1. I feel like it's got particularly bad in the past couple of years. Working as a GP, obviously I see patients who have similar symptoms all the time, and having 2 young kids, they go to nursery and constantly worried about them getting a vomiting bug, being sick, being unwell, and me not being able to cope. I think about a year ago, I thought, do you know what, this is getting a bit silly and I need to do something about it, because to be a good mum and to be a good GP, I need to not have this fear of vomiting bugs that's kind of quite all-consuming. I'd get a message from preschool saying there's a vomiting bug going around, and my mind would go into overdrive. It plagued my mind for days, worried that the kids are going to get it, worried that we were going to get it and we wouldn't cope. So I've tried some hypnotherapy and some other methods of trying to make things better, but nothing seemed to have worked. Then I came across the Thrive programme and I thought, do you know what, let's give it a go. I'll do anything to make this better. So I had an introductory talk with my coach, Emma, who is absolutely wonderful. And she talked to me all about the course and I signed up for it. And initially I thought, oh gosh, have I just spent a lot of money on something that I can't really afford? And is it even going to help? Is it going to make a difference? And then I thought, do you know what, let's just do the course. It's worth doing anything to try and make things better. So I started the course back in November, and then I've just had my last session. It's now March, and I cannot tell you how life-changing the course has been in an amazing way. I now no longer have emetophobia. I don't have a fear of vomiting bugs. I feel so much calmer. I feel so much happier. I feel like my whole life has been transformed. I feel like a happier person, a better mum, better GP, and it's all thanks to the Thrive programme and Emma Rogers for getting me through it. So the course itself is so wonderful. It's simple to follow. It's got lots of practical tips. It does involve homework. So when I did the course, I was working full-time, childcare a lot of the time, and it was winter when things were particularly bad with vomiting bugs, and also the lead up to Christmas with some birthdays involved. Every evening I would read a bit of the chapter and do the work that's associated with it, and I'd constantly be trying to instigate the tips that it said. I'd have a meeting with Emma every week and I love the sessions. She's so much fun. We had such a good laugh. We talked about our weeks. It's like having a friend, a motivation, a support to get me through the programme, which I don't think I would have done on my own. She was there all the time. If I had any concerns, any queries, any problems, I could text, WhatsApp, send a voice note, and she would reply so quickly and reassure me and give some practical tips on how to get through my worries and concerns. And I don't think I could have done it without her, because I needed that extra bit of motivation and the reassurance that I was getting better and it was going to work. As a result of the programme, I have never felt as happy as I feel at the moment. I feel relaxed, I feel present, I enjoy the moment, I don't worry or brood about things. I feel really strong and resilient and feel like I can cope with anything that comes at me, however bad it might be. I've had the most lovely days out as a family. I've just really felt like I've been present, and I haven't felt like that for a long time, and so I think it's really helped me in that respect. I had the big test of whether it had worked or not when my daughter woke up in the night and was vomiting. So So before, I would have built up so much anxiety, felt sick myself, my heart would have raced, and I felt like I would have to run away and couldn't cope with it. But this time I lay in bed next to her. I then slept on the floor next to her and got through the night, and it was actually okay. And I didn't mind, and it actually taught me I can cope and I'm cured. And it feels like I've been freed from this horrible, all-consuming plaguing of the mind, fear of vomiting that was irrational, and I realised I was creating it myself and that I could uncreate it. And so I now feel like a completely new person that can tackle anything. So I cannot thank Emma Rogers and the Thrive Programme and Rob Kelly, who created the Thrive Programme, enough for completely changing my life and making me such a happier, more relaxed, calm person. And it's honestly been life-changing. So I can't recommend it enough to everyone. And I thought I was going to be that one person that it wouldn't work on, but it worked, and I am delighted, and I cannot thank you enough.